Guys, I'm going to tell you about my latest Amazon purchase, which is a facial steamer and an LED magnifying lamp. I have all the pieces here. Looks like some wheels. Here's the light, the steamer with the water, and a set of instructions. I'm going to put it together and I'm going to start using it actually tonight. I'm excited. So, my daughter and I are having a mom-daughter facial. You can kind of see here, there are 3 different modes for lighting. And you can do a close-up of her face, do a magnification to look for any issues on her face, which is really cool. So you have a timer here, and you set the timer, I put it on 20 minutes, and it has steam and the UV, and this is the power button as well. Also you fill up the water right here. So you can kind of see the water with the UV light, and now there's some steam coming out. So I completed my facial with my daughter. We had a lot of fun. We saved a lot of money by buying this instead of going to a salon, which, you know, facials can cost, if we both had one, easily $100. I did a great job on my face, and also it had a extra bonus of cleaning out my sinuses as well. So I think I might try it as well for that. So if you're looking for a facial steamer, check this out on Amazon.